In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fill out the admission form for the City College of Commerce and Business Administration in Kolkata. This step-by-step guide will help you navigate the online application process seamlessly. So let's get started. First, head over to the City College of Commerce and Business Administration's official website at www.cccba.ac.in. Once there, look for the admission or online admission portal link. This is where you'll begin your application process by registering as a new applicant. Click on the new applicant registration option and be prepared to enter some essential information like your name, email ID, phone number, and date of birth. It's crucial that you jot down the password you create here for future reference. After submitting these details, you should receive a confirmation email or SMS containing your login credentials to proceed further. Next, you'll dive into filling out your personal details. Carefully enter your full name as it appears on your Class 10 or 12 records, along with your date of birth, gender, and even your blood group if the form asks for it. Make sure to include your nationality and category, whether you're General, South Carolina, ST, or OBC. You'll also be required to provide your guardian's or parent's name and occupation, alongside your contact information, which includes mobile numbers, email addresses, as well as permanent and present addresses. Following the personal section comes the academic details. You'll need to furnish the form with your Class 10 board details, including your school, year, and the marks or grades you obtained. The same goes for your Class 12 details, where you'll specify your school board roll number, marks in individual subjects, total marks, and overall percentage. Do not forget to indicate your stream, be it commerce, science, or arts. Lastly, select the subject or course you wish to apply for, B.Com Honors or General, for instance. Once your academic details are set, you'll move on to uploading necessary documents. Ensure you have clear, scanned copies of items like your passport-size photograph, signature, Class 10 admit card or certificate, and Class 12 mark sheet. If applicable, upload your caste and migration certificates, making sure all documents are in the correct format, typically JPEG or PDF. Then come selecting your course preferences. Decide whether you want to pursue B.Com Honors or General. If you opt for Honors, you'll need to choose your honors subject, such as accounting and finance. After your selections, it's time to pay your application fee. You can do this online using a debit card, credit card, net banking, or UPI. Be sure to download and save the payment receipt once the transaction is successful. Before you hit the submit button, take a moment to review all the details you've entered. It's important that everything is accurate because once submitted, changes can be difficult or impossible. After submission, download and print a copy of the application form PDF for your records. Finally, a few helpful tips. Always use a working email and phone number since all updates will be communicated there. Keep your scanned documents ready to avoid any last-minute hassle, and be sure to check the eligibility criteria for the honors courses, as they often require a minimum percentage in related subjects. Thanks for joining me on this guide, and best of luck with your application.